Okay, I think everything's working now. I'm just gonna turn off audio monitoring. It's kind of disorienting to hear my own voice. I'm just going to... Wait, where is it? There it is. Okay. Alright. Hello there. I'm live. Yeah, my face might start, or it might stop tracking sometimes. If you're in my last stream, you might have seen this. Sometimes I get this error. I don't think you can see it right now, but yeah, sometimes it loses tracking. Like I don't know. It's weird. But fortunately, that should be fixed soon. I'm going to replace my face tracker with a new one. So that'll be really exciting. I'm planning on switching to, you know how the iPhones, the new iPhones have like, they have like cameras with sensors and things that they're designed for face recognition. You have like Face ID and everything. Yeah, that's really convenient for face tracking for VTubing and stuff. So I'm gonna be trying to switch to that, and hopefully that'll make my facial expressions a little bit more subtle. See, right now the blinking is kind of it's a little bit kind of sudden. It's not very subtle. So yeah, hopefully that'll give my model a nice smooth animation. So yeah, that'll be really nice. Anyway, I suppose we should get into the modeling today. So I've decided that I'd like to take this image here. It's my profile picture. Let me just find it. It's, this one. I want to take this image and animate it, because I've been setting up this website here. I'll pull up a tab. Here we go. Oh wait, to switch to desktop. Sure. Here we go. And I have this website that I've been working on, and I'd really like to give it this really cool like animated intro here. That would be really, really cool if instead of just being like a static image here, I could replace it with a moving image. I think that would really make it pop. It would be really impressive. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. So I'm just going to open Blender. And actually, I'm just going to test the chat box here. Testing. There we go. And if you saw my Twitter page earlier today, I have set up this new kind of background image. I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, if we get enough messages there, you'll start to see that. So that's a cool Easter egg. So here we go. And my music appears to have stopped again, so I'm just gonna go back here. Alright. Yeah, this was something I was doing earlier today, but it doesn't look very good, so I'm gonna start over. But first I'll make a backup because those are important. I'm thinking, see, what I was going to do here was make an animation of me jumping, so that I could use that as kind of a transition for, oh, I have this hotkey here that makes my eyes really big. It's kind of funny. I don't know how that happened. That's kind of odd. Oh, I think yeah, there's a hotkey in Blender that does this something. Yeah. Anyway, forgot what I was saying. Yeah, I'm gonna make a transition. It's just gonna be like a jump from one side to the other. But I decided that this was a little bit too boring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Unity. Oh, and my face tracking appears to have stopped again. I'm going to have to fix that. There we go. I think. Is it working? Oh no, I think I have to restart. But that shouldn't be a huge issue. Okay, now I just have to reconnect from the command line. Right now I'm using kind of a separate program I found on GitHub, sending the expression data to Unity. It was pretty fun to set up. I feel very proud that I figured it out. But yeah, it's a little bit mysterious how it works, and it's kind of has some bugs in it. So I'll be replacing that soon. Anyway, so I was working on this animation, and I decided that it would be better if I just record myself jumping with motion capture. I do have a setup where I can use Vive trackers, and I can wear them, and I can have full body motion in the avatar. So I should be able to record some motion and then import it into Blender. And I wrote a script that can kind of map the skeleton to the animation that I've created. So yeah, once I've gotten a good take of the jump, then I'll bring it into Blender, and then I'll make that transition. But for now, I want to work on that pirate animation. I'm trying to reset my arms, but okay, there we go. That's another problem with this. I have a hotkey that I use to reset my arms, but sometimes it doesn't work immediately, so I have to kind of spam it a little bit. So that's kind of it's a bit problematic, but hopefully that'll be fixed soon. And here I have another hotkey that should be working right now, but doesn't seem to be working. Oh, it's because I turned off numlock. Look at this one. I think this is my favorite emote. And I also I have this prop here. Yeah, it's just kind of a generic block, but maybe I'll turn it into something eventually. My arms aren't resetting again. Spam. Unlock. Uh-oh. Technical difficulty. Oh. Yeah, my tracking turned off again. I'm wondering if maybe I should just turn off the tracking for now. It is really nice to have the blinking. I think it makes it a lot less eerie. But yeah, the last time I tried to stream it was a little bit disruptive, so maybe I'll just go without the tracking for now. Although I guess I should reset my arms first. I have that set up in this over here with hotkeys. So I press this button and it resets, and then I think I'll just close this and it's unresponsive. There we go. Okay, and I still have my hand tracking, so that's really nice. Although I can't reset my arms anymore. Oh well, I'll just kind of like do that. I'll just kind of just kind of set my arms down there. There we go. Anyway, okay, so I would kind of like to change the background here. I'm not sure how to do that. I'm gonna try going in preferences and see if there's a way of doing that. We have user interface, preferences, theme, window background. What? Is that good? No, that's not it. Region background. Is that it? RGB X. What is this? Oh no. 250. Yeah, I'm not sure. I guess I should just Google it. That would be the most convenient method. I'll just pull in a new tab from here. Blender change viewport background color. Stack exchange is always helpful. So we have preferences, themes, 3D view. Okay, see if I can find that 3D view. Here we go. Background. Where is it? I just need to make sure I have my hotkeys coordinated. Okay, there we go. Just want to make sure those are working. Yeah. Okay, and gradient. 3D. Gradient. Huh? Gradient colors. Theme space. Gradient colors. Okay. Gradient colors. There sure is a lot to do. I've been very busy. So yeah, I didn't get this taken care of earlier. Since I was trying to fix the face tracking before the stream started, but yeah, I didn't have enough time for that, unfortunately. Trying to see if I can position these on the same monitor. I guess I could just drag this onto my other monitor, but that'd be a little boring. Where is this? Under preferences, 3D view, grid, gradient. Where is it? Theme. Oh, there it is. Okay. Maybe now I'll figure it out. Use. Yay! I don't know what that is. Is this what is? It's a little dark, isn't it? I'm gonna switch to Eevee because last time I tried to render with cycles, it like crashed my computer, and it was while I was recording too, and I lost my recording because apparently MP4 files don't like it when your computer crashes while you're recording, because I guess there's like part of the video is added at the end, and so if your computer crashes, it doesn't get to add that, and it just corrupts your video file. Yeah. I think you can decorrupt it, but it's a little confusing. Maybe I'll do that someday. Seems a little time consuming though, but I do have the corrupted MP4 file on my computer, so if I decide I need it, I can restore it, hopefully. There are probably also tools you can download that can decorrupt your MP4 files, but I don't know, I like to learn what's going on in the background, but of course it's a little time consuming, so I might just resort to buying some software. I'm a little confused right now. I don't know where I am. Where is this? RGB? No. Yeah, I just need to disable transparency. Where is that? I thought it was in film. Oh yeah, there we go. So now we should see the background now. Yes. Great. Okay. That's kind of fun. Yeah. So I want to bring back the pirate version. I think it was this one. I think so. Yeah, I just added an eye patch. Maybe I could try modeling a real eye patch sometime, but for now I'm just sticking with this. My mouth is getting a little dry. I'm gonna make some more tea. My tea kettle is a little bit loud, so you might hear it in the background, but yeah, that's okay. Alright. So now I want to set this to be our main camera. So now if I do that, matches. I think that looks right. Okay. Yeah, the tongue is also drawn in like that. I would kind of like to add like an actual tongue shape key. That'd be really cool. Since then we could have like an animated tongue. It could be like an expression. That'd be pretty fun. But for now, I'm just gonna try not doing that. It is a little bit problematic though that we now have these. Wait, where'd the image go? I think I closed it. Here it is. We have these like overlays and things that, well, you may have noticed that my artwork is heavily post-processed, so there are a lot of like extra layers on top of this. Like you can see, there's a lot of stylization and stuff. So I don't really know what we're gonna do about that. My arms are just everywhere. Maybe I'll unplug my Leap Motion so my hands don't just like teleport. Wait, first I have to fix those. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. My hands are just very excited. Wait. Oh, there's my tea kettle over there. Wait a minute. just have to fix these hands. Wait a minute. They keep turning upside down. Maybe if I move them really quickly, they'll stop it. I should really add a button in Unity to reset the hands. That'd be very convenient. Ooh. Almost there. Almost there. Okay. I should probably give up. Okay, that's good enough. I'll just unplug this. Okay. Okay. Now my hands won't teleport anymore. I completely forgot what I was talking about. Okay, just a moment. I'm gonna pour my tea. Just a moment. I forgot to put the background music back on, so I'll go fix that. I think this is an old one, but oh well, that's okay if it repeats. I seem to have a lot of jaw tension right now. I think that comes with the nerves of speaking in front of one person. Yeah, anyway. Hopefully that'll get better. Yeah, as I stream a little more often, I'm gonna try to do daily streams so that I can really get used to it and feel comfortable streaming. I'm actually doing much better right now than I expected. You should have seen last stream. It was kind of a disaster. I was like trying to speak really quietly in my microphone, and it was just, I don't know, it was very confusing because I had no idea what it would sound like. I'm still a little bit confused about the audio. Yeah, I don't know, I'm very new to this. I'm also very tired, so I keep forgetting what I'm talking about. My attention span is super short right now. So once again, I've completely forgotten what I was about to do. Yeah, as I was saying, hopefully I won't have jaw tension anymore after a few days. Because my goal here is to kind of become comfortable with it, and eventually I'll just feel natural and good and nice, and it'll be great. I have a suspicion that I have jaw tension even outside of stream, but maybe this will help me eliminate that. Anyway, we'll see. I'm getting very off topic. Anyway, I'm gonna take a sip of my tea. There we go, I'm now hydrated. And what are these people doing in the background? I have no idea. Okay, time to animate. So I'm thinking it would be great if I don't know, this is just kind of my natural first idea is something kind of like this. Wait. What's the hand gestures? like this. Something like that. or maybe maybe something like wait, where is it? Like that, kind of. It's not exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, like that. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do that. I'm wondering if it would be best to try to do some motion capture, and then import that into Blender. That might be the best option. That way it looks really natural, and not just CGI. CG. Still don't know the abbreviation. Is it CGI or CG? I have no idea. So, I've charged all of my trackers, so I think it should be alright. I think, oh, by the way, I will make some changes to my head movement. I'm thinking I'm going to bring in a hip tracker and maybe make the arms sway a little bit with the head. So that should look a little better in the future. See, right now it's kind of odd. It looks like I'm like dancing or something. Anyway, yeah, I'm still. It's still a work in progress. All of this. Here I have my Vive wands. I don't know if you could hear that. Make a little beeping sound when they turn. Well, this doesn't look very good. It's blinking red, even though it was just plugged in. Well, that's not good. I have a strong suspicion that one of my charging cables is kind of broken. It kind of pretends to charge, but it's not actually charging. So maybe that's the problem. Yeah, it just well, I'm not exactly sure what to do now. I guess I could try recording. Yeah, this was something I wanted to do. I want to try recording different animations separately and then kind of blend them together. Unfortunately, I'm not exactly sure how I would do that. Here, I'll see if I can demo this. We can start with some head movements. Here, I'll try to remember how I did this last time. It's been a while. I think I imported this recorder somewhere online, and here we can record motion data. So here I'm just gonna put in the date so it's super clear. Yeah. Capturing, I think that's what I want to do. Okay, if I do this, I'm moving my head, and then turn that off, and save, I think. And now, I think it worked. No, that's not it. Here. I think it. Wait, where is it? Yes, it's been a while since I used this. Is it here? Maybe it's here? Maybe, oh, there it is. Okay, so now I have this file, and now I want to import it, so I'm just gonna go over here, and I'm just gonna copy that path and put it in there, and then there. And so now it imports it as this sideways skeleton. I'm gonna rotate. And so now here's where the magic comes in. I have this. Well, first I'll duplicate this so I'm not undoing all my stuff. I have this script I wrote here. I guess I'll have to open it from somewhere else. Oh, my music stopped. Oh yeah, so Blender, for some reason, I don't know. It's probably because I didn't put a file extension on this. So I think it's just like a raw text file. So that's kind of funny. It just kind of forgets that it's there. Anyway, so I wrote this script, and I can use it to make this skeleton follow this one. Oh, it didn't work. Wait a minute. Oh no. Wait, I want to see. Are they both? What is this? Oh, what happened there? Oh, that's weird. So this. Okay. I might have to apply. Let's see. Apply. Transform. So I think. Okay. So I want this one to become like that. So I'm going to run. No. I am puzzled. Puzzled. Wait, what? What? Where'd it go? What? The legs, where? What? What's going on here? What? I'm just very confused overall. Anyway. So you can see the motion capture data is here. It is it's kind of weird that I don't think the pose isn't completely right. I'm gonna have to take a look at this. It's not quite right because in Unity I think it's not really hunched over like that. See, it's a lot more. Well, I guess if I tilt my head up like that, it kind of does that. But I think here it's just kind of staying like that, right? Yeah, it's really strange. I don't know why it's doing that. I think, wait, so this is the one that I constrained to this other one. Why? What? Okay, so if I move that one. Oh yeah, yeah. So I can't actually move this one because it's constrained. But this one I can move. I don't know why it's. I wonder where that bone. Why is it tilted like that? It's very odd. Very strange. Weird. And the sizing is a little off too. Could be something on this side. Root bone, target, avatar, bones. Maybe it's missing some bones. This is a very common problem in software development and just this kind of stuff in general, I'm sure. At least it is for me. I'm assuming most other people probably have these kinds of problems, but I have no idea what's going on. Yeah, if you want to do this kind of stuff, it really takes a lot of time. Oh, I think I already played that. I'm gonna take another sip of tea because I'm dehydrated. Yeah, I don't know what to do right now. I guess I could just try getting another take. Yeah, I'll try that. I'm just gonna I'm gonna turn on one of these controllers, and here I've set it up so that I have a lot of script here. If I turn on use VR controllers, oh, it's not paired. Wait a minute. That's a problem. I might have to check my radio connection. I'm gonna go do that in just a minute. Okay, that's weird. Maybe I need to go here. Pair controller, Vive controller, and hold down. Yeah, paired. Okay. That's kind of weird. I don't know why I didn't do that. Anyway. I'm gonna go here, I think. Yeah, and I want this to be my left hand, so I'm gonna let's see if my scripts have detected anything. Searching. So I found one with device 4 as its index, so I'm gonna choose that, and there we go. Yeah, this is a weird problem with. It's not moving as much as I want it to. See, I'm holding it above my head right now, but it's not picking it up. That's really strange. So many technical difficulties here. I'm not sure. Tracker is 0.8. That's a height. Wait, that didn't work. Can I change it? No. Left hands tracker. So this is the tracker. I'm just like swinging my arm wildly here, and it's not picking up. Yeah, I don't know. It used to work, so that's really that's not fun at all. See, I used to use like the built-in controller component, like one of these components, except it was a different type. That's kind of like the default controller tracker thing. But then I wanted to make it so I don't have to use the actual headset, the Vive VR headset. So I changed the settings. Like I made some changes to the settings so that you don't have to use the headset. But then that seems to have kind of messed it up so that I can't use the default controller settings. And then that's really weird because now I've had to switch the components. So now instead of just automatically finding the controllers, I have to assign it here. So these are all like trackers, like Steam VR trackers. Really weird. I don't know. I think it works fine with the foot tracker. I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, I have to enable leg tracking. So if I click that, oh, well, that's not what I expected. Yeah, or maybe it is what I expected. It's very confusing. Maybe I need the hip tracker working, but I guess I'm not really doing what I said I would do. I'm not working on the oh, wait a minute. I'm not working on the animation, so I suppose I should get to work on that. As I said, I am very tired, so I'm getting very off track. I need to get back to my early bedtime schedule. My hands are in a weird position again now. Well, this is my second stream, so I guess it's to be expected that it's not very well planned. I've been brainstorming a lot with new ideas for. Oh, hi, hello. Hello. Yeah, I've been brainstorming. Oh wait, I forgot. I can't reset my hands without that. Without this thing running. I guess I could enable it just for a minute. Since it's nice to have like the blinking. Blink. Is it working? No. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah. So I've been brainstorming a lot for stream ideas. Yeah, so right now, like what I'm doing right now is just kind of improvised. Like I didn't really have a plan. I mean, I kind of made a plan at the last moment, which was like, wait a minute. I'm gonna delete this. It looks bad. Yeah, oh, you couldn't see that. Yeah, I was just deleting that. Anyway, yeah, I just like just like an hour ago I thought, or maybe 2 hours ago I thought, oh, I should animate pirate traps. That would be cool. So I just kind of decided that's what I'm gonna do. But I didn't really have a plan for how I was gonna do it. So yeah, and it turns out it seems like maybe this kind of activity is maybe too time consuming for a stream. I'm not really sure. It's like there are so many technical difficulties like the weird problem with the motion tracking, and then also like my controllers wouldn't track properly. I don't know, it's very weird. Actually, now that I think about it, I could use the leap motion controllers or controller to track the arm and record that, and then I could try just using that, but then there's a weird problem with like the hip bone being rotated and all the leg bones just being like teleported somewhere else, like in the origin. I have no idea what's happening. But it was a good try. I feel like with these things, you can never really predict if it'll work or not. So in this case, it just kind of didn't work. Here, I'm gonna shift my head tracker down a little bit. My head's a little bit rotated. See, I'm wearing this pair of goggles like on my forehead with a Vive tracker. That's how I'm doing this. And then I have like my webcam here. It's like tracking my face. And I have my leap motion controller there. What was I saying? Wait. What was I saying? Oh, my music stopped. Wait, I'm gonna. Oh no, I already did that one. Okay. I really need to get more sleep before next stream. Oh no. I don't know how other people do this. Did you hear like in an interview, Calliope said that she gets like 4 hours of sleep, and I was like, what? How are you streaming like that? I don't know. I feel like I've gotten so much more sensitive to sleep deprivation like the past few years. I don't know what happened. It's really odd. Yeah, I don't know. It's just like I feel like I can't focus anymore if I lose a few hours of sleep. It's very disturbing. Wish I could fix that. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm just not very healthy. I don't know. Maybe it's genetic. I have no idea. But I don't know what the stream has turned into. Maybe I should rename it. I do not have a plan for what I'm gonna do. So chaotic. I don't know how I'm gonna animate this because it's as I said earlier. Yeah, where is it? This image here. Wait, where? This image has a lot of layers. So it's like there's like shine and shadows and things. Like you might be able to tell. I kind of emphasize the bright blue, and then kind of I lower the brightness in these other parts. Just draw attention here. And then also I added the eye patch and oh, my camera turned off. No more blinking. Yeah, I have. If you're new here, my face tracker just turns off randomly. It's kind of awful. Anyway, but that'll be fixed soon. You haven't been seeing my desktop, so I've been indicating here. I'm very new to this. I should probably buy more monitors so I can keep track of all this. But anyway, I don't know how I'm gonna get the layers to all sync up when I animate it, yeah, it's gonna be difficult, but yeah, there's always kind of a solution somehow, I guess. Like look at this chat box. Testing chat. You see that? I'm way too excited about this. This took more work than it looks. What I did, I did this really convoluted thing where I took this image and thank you for following. I have 3 followers now. That's really exciting. Yeah, I took this picture, I took this image, and I cut it into a bunch of strips. Here, I'll try to find them. Or slices, I call it slices. So, I spent like half an hour like cutting it into all these pieces, and then I uploaded them to my website, and and then I went to Chatbox, and it's cool. You can do like a custom code for like the style, and what I did is I made it load these strips or slices from my website, and just like cycle through them. It's probably kind of buggy. It's not optimized. I made it in like 2 hours. I forgot my hands are still working. Yeah, so it might break sometimes, but it works for now. I don't know if I somehow get like is that an owl? This music is AI generated, so I have no idea what's gonna happen. What was I saying? Yeah, if I somehow get a lot of oh hi. Yes, I'm doing a joke. If I once I charge all my trackers, I can do full body tracking, so I can kind of dance around, but for now, one of my cables is it's like lying to me about charging. I'm being a little bit cruel to this this cable. It just made a mistake. I'm being a little hard on it. But yeah, it's not charging properly. So even though it was plugged in, it wasn't working. But maybe tomorrow I'll have my trackers all working, and I can kind of dance around. Hopefully I can also fix my facial expression and see like if I want to turn this back on. Oh wait, you can't see my screen. I'd have to restart this, which is my face tracker, but then it doesn't work unless I also restart this. Here, it's not a big deal. I can do it. I just got really off topic. I have no idea what I was talking about. I think probably also, since this is only my second stream, I'm getting really distracted because it's like a new thing that I've never done before. So that's why I'm really bad at staying on topic right now. Oh, blink. Okay, there we go. Here I can do the jig. Yeah. Yeah. This music is kind of weird. Oh, it switched. It switched the genre. I don't know why it did that. See, I was using this like lounge style, but it switched. I don't know. where is that? Genres, electronic. This was actually working pretty well, so I guess I'll go with that. Last time I tried this and it was, I had never used this site before. So I picked the wrong genre. It sounded weird. Yeah. And my background music kept stopping because I'm so glad it hasn't stopped this time. I don't know why it did that, but the last time, I'm gonna move my avatar here. I'm gonna point down at the for some reason the desktop audio would mute every time my camera disconnected. So every time the face tracker thing here stopped, it would also mute my desktop. I have no idea why. And it so like the background music, nobody could hear it. It's really sad. And then the VOD got corrupted after it, so I didn't even get to check the audio and the balance and everything. Oh, what did I just do? Yeah, it was a disaster. But yeah, it'll get better. It's also a lot more comfortable this time because I can speak at normal volume. Last time I was trying to speak really in a quiet voice because I was nervous, but yeah, not everything's coordinated, so it's not as weird. Oh, this is cool. I like this. Sounds very magical. I should probably rename the stream. I'm not even animating anymore. How do you do that though? I have no idea. I'm using Streamlabs OBS, and by the way, I didn't even know about the software before. I thought it was just called Streamlabs, but like I just used to use. Oh wait, that's the wrong screen. I used to just use OBS. That one, but then once I started looking into Streamlabs, I found out about Streamlabs OBS, and I was like, what? it's just like it's like kind of the same software, but then it's actually not. It's completely different. I don't know. I guess since OBS is open broadcaster software, they could just kind of like take all the code and then just make it their own software. So that's what I'm guessing they did. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. That's the wrong screen. Yeah, how do I rename this? I have no idea. Stream settings. Yeah, I'm just gonna Google it. I'm gonna pull this up. Streamlabs rename. No. Rename stream. Oh, my hands are teleporting again. I guess I could watch this. Oh no, it's an ad. 3, 2, 1, 0. Skip. Stream title. Stream title. Update. Stream. Where is that? Oh. Go live. What? Oh. Confused. confused. I'm very confused. I don't know. This music is a little bit repetitive. Maybe I should change it a little bit. Like I said, it is AI generated, so I have no idea what to expect. It's just kind of it's a little bit arbitrary. Yeah. Where? How? Who? during stream? How? Sometimes Google doesn't give me the responses I want. I understand with oh, my has just disappeared. My I understand with search engines, it's just kind of like this is the best we have. It's just kind of searching to see if these words show up anywhere, I guess. Hopefully soon we'll get like self-aware browsers or search engines. That'd be cool. Then they could kind of figure out what we're looking for and help us out. But for now, we just kind of have to. We just have Google. In the live tab, click the pencil on the top left corner. Oh, is that it? Oh, cool. I'm just gonna say talking aimlessly. Should I add like you got a face or something? Just my music turned off again. I need to fix that. Oh no, that's not it. Just chat. There we go. Now I can just remove those tags and yeah. Update and cool. My hand teleported again. Okay, time to fix that background music. Where? Here it is. There we go. That's much better. I don't know, I just when I was setting up my stream, I was like, I wonder what I should use for my background image, and I was like, here's a screenshot I took from a hat in town, and I just put it there. I don't know, it looks kind of nice. I mean, I don't know, to me it does. I don't know what it looks like to anybody else though. It's really weird, like when you set up your own streams and artwork, you can't really tell like what it looks like to other people. But I don't know, I think this looks kind of nice. just kind of like short little person standing back there staring at me. I also have this green screen. Oh wait, it's not working. I forgot why I made this. I'm laughing too much. I'm running out of air. Also, I just this for like screen recording. It's kind of handy. It's tea time. I'm dehydrated. I'm gonna drink. Well, my it just teleports sometimes. The Wii motion is really cool though. Like you can do like all kinds of stuff with your hands, and it's surprisingly good at tracking this stuff. It's just like sometimes it gets confused, and the hand just it's just like wait, I'm gonna try to replicate it. It's like yeah. I don't know. Sometimes it gets really confused and thinks like my setup is really confusing. Like I have a weird setup. I have like a standing desk and like an elevated keyboard, and then I have like another desk that's like on top of my first desk, and then on top of that desk I have my mouse pad with the mouse, but then underneath that mouse pad is where my keyboard is and my leap motion. It's not like literally underneath, it's kind of out a little bit, but sometimes my mouse pad gets in the way, and the leap motion sensor thinks that the mouse pad is my hand, and so my hand just teleports. Yeah, I don't know. It's very confusing. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. I've considered maybe putting Vive trackers on my hands, like getting a pair of gloves, and putting the trackers on my hands. Actually, in that case, I wouldn't really need the leap motion since my hands like don't have fingers. Yeah. So then there wouldn't really be a point in having leap motion. So I could just like use Vive trackers. In fact, I could do that right now. Yeah, I can just, since I'm not using full body tracking right now, I could just here. First I'll disconnect the leap motion. There we go. And now if I click yeah, I wonder, yeah, this probably won't work because there's still that problem with the hands not moving the right amount. I have no idea how I'm gonna fix that. It's very puzzling. I have no idea. Why is my, oh, that's weird. My avatar is just kind of disappears. Oh, I think it's because when I grab the window, it freezes the preview here, and this is like where it's capturing. Something like that. Not sure. I forgot I disconnected. Now I'm regretting it. If I plug it back in, maybe it'll work. Oh, but yeah, it shut down again. Yeah. See, this is a really weird thing. I don't know why it does that, but I think the tracking still works. Oh, I have to wait, where is it? I like this music. I have to turn off this one. There we go. Yeah, this is fun. But I want my expressions back, so I'm gonna restart. What is that? Okay, so I restarted there. Now I have to restart the tracker, the face tracker, and let's see what happens. There we go. Now I can blink again. Yeah, I'm doing this really convoluted thing where instead of using like a pre-made tool, well, it's kind of it's like partially pre-made. So like I downloaded this open source like VTuber software online and brought it in here into Unity, and I just wrote my own script to detect the expressions. Like it came with a script, but it was for like a default avatar. And I wanted to use my own avatar, so I brought it in. Of course my avatar has completely different like expressions and things. By the way, my avatar is also convoluted. It's well, here, look at this. We have all these shape keys here. Unfortunately, I can't change them while it's running. I would love if I could do that. That'd be really cool. Because then I could just adjust my expressions on the fly. But I don't know. It's still a work in progress. Forgot what I was saying once again. Yeah, I wrote a script. Oh. That's kind of cool. I didn't know you could do that. Wait, can you see that? I don't know. It might just kind of break if I do that. Let's see what happens. I should probably just use my other monitor. Oh yeah, here it is. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it doesn't change in Streamlabs. Okay, well. Anyway, so I wrote the script. I forgot where it went. Is it here? I think it's here. Yeah, this one. So this one, it gets like data from here, from this like Python program, and it captures it, and then I just kind of messed around with what it receives to kind of guess what expression I'm making. So I got it to work with blinking and laughing like this, like ha 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 ha. I'm laughing. But yeah, it's certainly not perfect. It has a lot of problems. But that's why I'm gonna replace it. So yeah, I want perfection in here. I want to get something that works a lot better. And I mentioned this early in the stream when I started. The like iPhone and iPad devices, like the newer ones, have sensors that are really good for face tracking. So it's like the top notch face tracking hardware. What was I? I'm getting distracted by my face. Just looking at my avatar. Yeah, so the sensors are like the top-notch sensors. So it's like way better than this webcam I'm using right now for face tracking. Like this webcam isn't really that great. I don't know. But yeah, so their sensors are really good for that, and also, or at least that's what I think. Maybe I'm just wrong. I don't know. But also they have like software that's specifically designed for like face stuff. that's integrated really well with their sensors and stuff. But I think that's my guess. Um, so that's why I want to use that. And apparently, like in Hololive and Niju Sanji, they use like smartphones. I think especially iPhones, so that they can use that sensor for the face tracking. Um, yeah, and my hypothesis is that um, it'll make my expressions a lot smoother, because right now, like the see how like uneasy, like unsteady, like I'm trying to squint but not blink. Um, it's really hard to keep my eyes just like partially open on the avatar, and that's because of the way I programmed it, and also I think just like the way the software works, because it's just like some guy on the internet just coded this thing, and it's just using regular webcam data, so it's kind of it's not really super precise, and I think it hasn't really been developed long enough to be really polished. And then of course it's also not made by like a big company that's really good with that stuff. So yeah, it's not super good. So that's why I'm gonna replace it. And I found this app that I'm gonna try to use. Actually, I think I could demo it right here. I yeah, I'm gonna try it. It's, where is it? I think let's see, I put it in here and here. I'm gonna pin to taskbar. So here, this thing pairs with the app on my iPad. So it looks really bad, the materials. So this is my first time converting an avatar into wait, what's it called? It's like the humanoid avatar format. I think it's VRM. So yeah, I think I didn't bake the textures or the materials in correctly. So that'll be an improvement I'll make. It's also like I think it's too big. This app is kind of bare bones. Oh, I guess you can kind of zoom out like that. Okay, that works pretty well. But yeah, there's a bit of work to be done there. But anyway, I'm gonna open the app here on my tablet. We'll see what happens. Oh, it's working. So it's doing a good job at tracking my head movement. One thing you'll notice is that the head movement is a lot smoother, and I think maybe, see, this is one of the downsides to using a setup like this where I just have the Unity editor open, because I'm using this capture thing. Oh, wait. Yeah, I'm using this, where is it? Yeah, this thing here, which I also imported from online. If you see my hand moving, it's because I'm holding my tablet. Yeah, this thing can stream from the camera, or like this camera here. It's like a virtual camera, and What is VSync? I don't know. I feel like maybe the reason why it's not smooth is that I just don't know what I'm doing. So maybe if I learn a little bit more about what's going on, I can't talk and type at the same time. That might make an improvement. I could try that. Enable VSync. Is that better? I don't think that's. I don't think it's better. Or maybe it is. I can't really tell. I should probably just do a side by side. Oh, keep moving things on my screen on accident. Let's see about this. If I do something like that. So here's with VSync on. Here's with it off. I might have to restart it. I wonder what would happen there. Let's try enabling it here, and then just starting it again. See what happens. Yeah, I don't think that's better. Yeah, if you compare it, like the preview here and the output, yeah, the preview is definitely a lot smoother. Not really sure how to fix that. What is double buffering? Double buffering. I don't know what that is. I guess I'll try enabling it. You could also just look it up. I don't know. Sometimes the documentation on these things online is a little confusing, so I don't know. I'm not really expecting to find out much, but maybe there's something. I guess I should give it a try. I have to remember the name. I guess just Unity Capture GitHub. I think actually I have no idea which one of these it is. Is it that one or that one? I think it's this one, yeah. Yeah, it's this one. Oh, I gotta fix my music. Hey. Okay, so there is a explanation of each of these. Performance caveats. Double buffering causes 1 frame of additional latency, but improves the throughput. Yeah, that's okay. I don't need that. Oh, I wonder. Yeah, maybe I should try low resolution. See, oh yeah, I think yeah, I lost my preset. It was, where was it? Do I have this? I don't know. Yeah, this is like the HD capture. And then I had another one that was a lot lower. Oh, keep moving things. Yeah, I had like a lower resolution, I think. So I'll just add that back in. Let's do res. And let's see about like 500 by 500. I wonder what that looks like. Maybe I'll change it a little bit. But I want to make it wider so that the arms don't get cut off. Yeah, maybe 600. Cool. Let's just add in the new one. So, I forgot what kind of input this is. Camera? Video capture device. Is that it? Wait, what is that? I don't know what that is. Add source. Video capture device. I think I'm gonna edit this. Properties. Where is it? Configure. I think it's here. Custom. So that's a little odd. I don't know where, because this isn't. I don't know. It's not the right resolution. 500, 600 by 500. Let's see what happens if I just put that in. Is that good? No, it doesn't work. 500 by 500. No. How do I configure that? Let's see what happens over here. I think so this is 1920 by 1080, and this one is also 1920 by 1080. So I want to take this one. Wow, that's pretty strange. Maybe this one? Is that it? 640 by 480. Let's try changing that. 640 by 480. Yay! It's working. All my music stopped. There we go. I need to find a new way of doing the music. This one's kind of fun. So I just need to hide that. So this is actually low resolution, but it doesn't look bad. I don't think it looks bad. I could probably replace that only. I don't think the frame rate is a lot better though, or maybe it is. I don't know. Yeah. So this is a disadvantage of using the Unity editor. I considered figuring out how to build the project. So instead of running in the editor, it would be just maybe like its own app. I guess that'd be good, because then I could still update the app. I could make adjustments and things, whatever I need to adjust during the streams. I can program in, just rebuild it. That sounds good. I guess I'll try that. There's so much stuff that I need to do. So much stuff. I'm not even working on the pirate animation. I'm just very distracted by that stream. It's a surprisingly attention-grabbing activity, even though I'm doing nothing. I want to see what happens if I copy this. I want to compare these two. So we have this one, but then there's the HD version somewhere. Wait. Oh. 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 I guess I can delete this one. Remove. Yes. So this one would be the low resolution version. And then we can switch to HD version. Let's see what happens. I don't think we can see a difference. Yeah, so maybe I should just switch to the lower resolution, since it'll probably run faster. Yeah, I like that idea. It looks like it might be a little smoother. It's not perfectly smooth though. But maybe yeah, I don't know how to get the smooth video capture. Yeah, so I'll have to look into building the Unity project. So that way, instead of just running out of the editor, it's like its own app. That would be ideal. Yeah, I just don't know how I'm gonna. I don't know. See, I'm trying to get all of this stuff done before the Niju Sanji audition, and it's like in 13 days. I think like it was announced a few days ago on Twitter, and yeah, I was just like, I'm gonna apply for that, and they're only 15 days. Yeah, so I have 12 more days, and my goal is to get like perfect stream transitions and just like amazing visuals. And I was also thinking I would like make my own background music. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah, but that takes a while. Yeah, but I'm gonna do a stream when I'm gonna make some background music in a future stream. I'm planning on trying to work on all these things in their own streams. So I completely failed with the animation today. I didn't succeed. But my hope is that with the other activities I can get them to work. I think I won't have trouble with making music because I won't run into technical difficulties like I did with the animation. So that should be a lot easier. I think that would fit the stream a lot better. Yeah, so I could probably do things like make background music in streams, and then do other things like animations that like where there are lots of technical difficulties. That I can just handle that outside the streams. Yeah. I feel like I'm trying to remember. I'm gonna pull up my document where I've been taking notes for all my future streams, brainstorming and things. Let's see. I thought. Wait, I'm trying to find it. I think it was a different document. Where did it go? It went somewhere. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave that one. I'm gonna try to do like a spin the wheel kind of thing. I'm gonna do like challenges. Like I might try to do 3D modeling, but I have to model something in a minute. I think I'll probably fail because I've never done that before. But it might be kind of fun. Yeah, and then one of the things was maybe, since I'm a violinist, I thought I could like play stuff, kind of like karaoke, but instrumental. So maybe I could take recommendations. Yeah, I don't know. But of course, first I have to get more viewers. I don't know how I'm gonna do that though. It seems like it's harder to get people to attend the streams than it is to get them to follow you on social media or on Twitter. I don't know. I guess I could just like write down a list of things that I could play and then spin a wheel, and then depending on what it lands on, I can just play that. Yeah. Of course, it would be a lot more fun if there's like a chat that's full of people and they're like, play this, and then I have to try to play it without practicing. Yeah, that'd be fun. I'm not at that point yet, but maybe if I spend hours per day on social media marketing myself, I can get more people. Yeah, it takes a lot of time, doesn't it? It's like I'm either working on fixing my technical difficulties or I'm marketing myself. One or the other. I'm trying to figure out nah. Well, wait a minute. I don't know, I'm just looking at the stream to see if I can like see what kind of stuff I can find out about what's going on. Like who's in the, like who's watching, etc. etc. I don't think you can do that. I'm not really sure. Yeah, anyway. My music stopped. Why not? Must fix. There we go. I wonder if my controllers are charged now. I'm gonna try putting them on and see if that works. That would be fantastic. Actually, something I haven't demonstrated yet is full body tracking without controllers, but using leap motion hand tracking. That's kind of fun because then I can do all of this and I can use my facial expressions, but then I can also move my legs and stuff. So I'm gonna try that. Give me just a moment. Where do I put my VR shoes? There they are. So I'll just turn it on. And it's very uncomfortable, by the way. I need to get a better shoe to put this tracker on. Right now, I bound the tracker onto the shoe with rubber bands, and it's really tight, so it's like squashing my foot. It it kind of hurts. Yeah, but shoes are expensive. I don't know. I don't want to mess anything up by like drilling holes through any shoes or anything, and then realizing it won't work. But I don't know. It's probably fine if I buy a pair of shoes and say I'm gonna dedicate this pair to tracking, then I can just like do all kinds of stuff to them without worrying. Since I probably won't wear them in public anyway. Or maybe I'll decide that I actually really like wearing shoes with holes in them, and then I can wear them in public, and yeah, perfect. I need to put on my VR belt. I have my shoes. Okay, here we go. And I'm putting it on backwards accidentally. Here we go. Okay. So now I'm just going to go back to Unity, and I'm gonna enable leg tracking. There we go. Now I have to assign the legs, so I have no idea what's going on. I don't even know where these numbers came from. That's kind of weird. Anyway, let's just see if the leg trackers exist. Let's try device 1. Is that it? No. I think that's... Is that the head tracker? I think that's the head tracker. Device 2. Device 2. Device 2. Device 3. Yeah, this is another downside to this setup here. I have to just kind of try them out. Seems like SteamVR just kind of assigns these, like the name, based on the order. Oh, I think I found it. Maybe? I should probably assign the hip tracker first. Yeah, that would make it a lot easier. Uh-oh. Device 3? No? No. Device 4? Device 5? Oh, that's my right foot. Device... Nope, that's my left foot. Oh, music stopped. And I'm gonna assign these left foot. Okay, and wait, that's the wrong one. Device 6, device 5, and device 7. Is that it? Yes. Okay, so that's my hip tracker. So now I can actually walk around. I haven't considered this. before. The hand trackers are not following the hip tracker. Have I never tried this before? I don't think I thought I had tried it before, but I guess I never done that. If we could make the the controller follow the hip, that would be really good. Maybe like that? I could just do that? Does that work? So now my hope is that, yes. Okay, now I can do that. Perfect. And then just pull it down. I don't know why I'm below the grid. Yet another mystery. Okay, that's not right. Okay, this is a little better. Yes. This looks silly. Wait. I want to bring the camera down so I can like move on the home screen, whatever. Yeah, like that. Okay. I have to I have to hold my hands over the sensor so I can still move my arms while I'm doing this. See, I'm planning to replace the hand tracking with just like I want to make it so that the arms just kind of hang there, but maybe swing a little bit so that they don't look like they're just like stuck to my body. But that way I could run around and stuff. That'd be good. If I could get these controllers, these VR controllers to work again, that would be ideal, because I actually they were working and it looks pretty good. I was able to do like full body motion and capture like I could do that thing I wanted to do at the beginning, which was I wanted to animate the jumping for the transition. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Maybe I'll share my desktop again so you can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to pair these. Oh no. I think I might need to plug in some more of these. I have these USB things that you plug in to a USB hub. Well, that's what I do. And you need them to pair all the trackers. I have 4 of them. Let's see. That should account for all of my Vive trackers. I don't know about the wands. Those should be fine. I'm just kind of like floating here. Okay, I'm gonna fix the music first. Okay, there we go. I don't know. I might have to restart Steam VR because I think this was working earlier. So here I'm just gonna try that. Let's just restart that. and maybe the controllers will connect. I don't know. Okay, and I think the controllers will pair. Okay, I got the left one. I need to pair the right one. Pair. And then I'm gonna hold down these buttons. Okay. And oh. My head is tied to my controller. Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. Yeah, I'm gonna have to reassign that. That's a problem with how SteamVR handles the devices. Oh, look at that. You have to reassign everything. This really is a weird setup that I have right here. Yeah. But I shouldn't lose hope, I guess. I wanna keep going, even though it's really bad. Device 3, device 2, device 4, device no. Device 5, device 6. No. Where is it? 1, 4. Do I have no, I haven't turned on my head yet. There's a power button on my head. I have to press the power button or my brain won't start. Wait, maybe it's just not pairing. Uh-oh. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't always need to reconfigure. It looks like it's not even on. I don't know what's going on. Is it? Wait. Okay, now the tracker is actually on. Okay, now it's pairing. Okay, there we go. Let's see if the other trackers will need that. Okay. My hands are doing all kinds of weird things. Okay. I'm gonna turn. No. One? Yes. Wait, no. 2? No. 3. Oh, it should be here. 2? Is that it? Device 2. I don't see it. Doesn't seem to be tracking. Maybe it's not device 2? Device 4? Device 4. Device 5. Yes! Okay, it's device 5. This is taking too long. It's taking way too long. Music. If anybody has recommendations for how to play background music without getting arrested, Yes, that would be appreciated. Because I have no idea what to do. It looks like there are some websites that'll do that. I guess I could just pay for Streamlabs Prime. I do think that, okay. I'm just gonna give up. It's taking too long. I do think that streaming is a really good challenge for me. Especially, like, you can see there are so many problems with my setup. It's a disaster. Oh no. I'm gonna wait, is my tracker on? Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, there's so many problems, and I think fixing all of these it's a really good challenge. I'm hoping that streaming will help me learn more by forcing me to fix a lot of problems. Yeah, so I think it's a really fun challenge. I'm distracted right now. It's a fun challenge, so I think I might just buy Streamlabs Premium or Prime. I think before I was thinking like maybe I'll just give up and not use it, but I think I'll probably keep going. I think I don't know. It's a fun challenge, so yeah, maybe I'll just buy that, and then I'll use like the free music that's provided with it. Yeah, so then that way we won't have to reset the music every 5 minutes. Yeah. I could just write that background music though. But then, yeah, I don't want people to get tired of my background music. That would not be good. Especially with the kind of stuff that I'm thinking of streaming. Since I don't really play a lot of video games, I could though. There are some video games that I do really like. So I could play some of those, I guess. But like the stuff that I've been thinking about doing, like 3D modeling and animating and things on stream, since it doesn't come with its own background music, it's kind of like maybe if I provide my own background music, it would just be like the same thing for hours and hours and hours. So I think it'd probably be better for those things to have like the Streamlabs Prime music, because then I can just have a playlist and they won't copy strike me or anything. Yeah, I think I don't. My arm is teleporting. I think I'm starting to not like this low resolution version as much, so maybe I'll switch back to HD mode. Yeah. So here I'll just go here. There we go. That looks better. Well, now I'm small. Very small. Should also start it here and then turn that off. There we go. Now I'm nice and crisp. Anyway, I have no idea what I'm doing anymore, so I think I'm going to end this stream. Oh, the music stops. Oh no. Yes, I think I'm going to in the stream. And uh, I'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna try streaming every day. I have my schedule on Twitter. I'm gonna post an update. I think I'm gonna try. Well, actually, I forgot about this. Earlier today, I figured out this Twitch thing extension that lets you link calendar, so you can see my stream schedule on Twitch here. This is kind of weird. I I think somehow this is a preview of next week. So this didn't actually happen yesterday. It's just yeah, tomorrow I'll be streaming at 11 a.m. CST. Yes, I think it'll convert it to your time zone when you look at it on Twitch. But yeah, and then I'll also be having a collab on Saturday, so the day after tomorrow. I will be playing Rocket League for the first time with Schoolbus TV. Schoolbus TV. Schoolbus TV. Rocket League. Yeah. So that's what I'll be doing on Saturday. I'm gonna switch back here. Yeah. Also, if you weren't here before, look at this cool. look at my chat back then. That took a really long time to make. Yeah. So I think I've said everything, or I've said most of it. Yeah, just make sure to keep checking my Twitter feed to see any updates. And other than that, yeah. I guess I'm done. Okay, I'll try to fix some of these problems for next time. I don't know. It's a mess. Yeah, I'll figure something out, I guess. Anyway, bye. Goodbye. I'm trying to activate my laugh face. Sometimes it doesn't pick up if I'm not making exactly the right mouth shape. Bye. Maybe I'll get like a hotkey. I have two hotkeys. I have this one. This is my disaster face. Bye. The blink is still enabled, so it's still doing. Okay. Goodbye.